The number of Bitcoin BTC waves indicates that it has hit bottom. Bitcoin has been increasing since January 24th and is showing strong signs that it has completed its long-term correction, which began on April 2021. Bitcoin most likely began a 5-wave upward pattern in December 2018. If true, the April 14th, 2021 high of $64,895 marked the top of Wave 3. In this case, BTC has likely been correcting inside Wave 4 since then, as BeInCrypto outlined in the previous wave count analysis. The most likely count suggests that Wave 4 ended with the $32,950 local low on January 24, 2022. The subwave count is shown in red. In it, waves A and C have a 1-to-1 ratio, which is quite common in similar corrective structures. As a result, it's possible that BTC has now begun the fifth and final wave of its bullish impulse. The first potential target for the top of this upward move is between $71,600 to $73,600. This target range was found using the 0.618 length of waves 1 to 3 and the 1.27 external retracement on wave 4. Beyond this, the next targets would be $84,450 and $95,325. As for the shorter-term movement, the most likely possibility indicates that Wave 4 is a complete running flat correction. The subwave count is shown in black as a completed bearish impulse. In this scenario, BTC has now begun a new bullish impulse as part of the previously outlined Wave 5, which could potentially take it to a new all-time high price and beyond. The second likeliest possibility suggests that BTC is still in Wave 4, which will take the shape of a symmetrical triangle. In this scenario, BTC could increase toward the 0.618 fib retracement resistance level at $55,250 before falling once more and completing subwave E. The movement since January 24th would be the same in both scenarios. At the current time, we cannot determine which of these wave counts is at play. The third and least likely scenario suggests that BTC is completing the C wave in an ending diagonal pattern that could take the shape of a descending wedge. If true, BTC could increase towards $44,600 before falling once more and completing the diagonal somewhere in the neighborhood of $31,000. This would also cause the price to break down from the ascending parallel channel that BTC is currently trading in. Furthermore, in an ending diagonal, each wave has to be an ABC structure. Due to the very small length of the subwave B, neither Wave 1 nor Wave 3 look to have formed an ABC structure. The short-term price action should help in determining whether or not this is the correct wave count. Since January 24th, BTC has been trading inside an ascending parallel channel. Currently, it's trading slightly above the resistance line of this channel. If the entire movement is a correction, waves A and C already have more than a 1-to-1 ratio. Therefore, if the proposed diagonal scenario is to play out, BTC must get rejected and begin a downward move from the current level. Conversely, the most likely scenario suggests that the upward movement is part of a bullish impulse. This is supported by the increasing volume. If Bitcoin were to break out from the channel with high volume and then validate it as support, it would almost certainly confirm that a new upward trend has begun. This would support the possibility that the correction is complete. However, it would not invalidate the triangle scenario, since the entire movement could still be part of an A wave that would eventually take BTC to $55,300 to complete the triangle structure. For BeInCrypto's previous Bitcoin analysis, click here.